Good morning, Filinvest, and good morning to our sales partners. My name is Shayne, Sales Training Assistant Manager for VisMin, and welcome to another e-learning session with Filinvest. Personal branding is very important in our real estate business and career. It is emphasized that for you to be able to sell a property, you must first be able to sell yourself. How? You, as a real estate practitioner, should establish a credibility of a trustworthy and knowledgeable real estate professional. Your prospects, clients, and marketing partners can see you, talk to you, and even stalk you online. Building a professional image is important not only when your client meets you in person, but also when your clients see you online. In this video, I will give you simple and practical tips on how to build a professional personal brand online. Tip number 1, start with your social media accounts. Whenever you introduce yourself to your prospects or marketing partners online, the first thing that they usually do after your initial conversation is to search you either on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or any other social media available. Your profile and your posts will provide them the needed information and sometimes give them basis to decide if you are trustworthy or credible enough. So how will you know if your social media is impressive or not? Here are some points. Point A, profile picture and cover photo. Your profile picture and cover photo are the first pictures that your prospect, client, or marketing partner will see once they check out your social media account. Your profile photo is also the only photo that they will see whenever they are chatting with you. So make sure your profile picture and cover photo are clear, simple, neat, and exudes professionalism. To build trust with your potential clients and partners, make sure that you have your real name in all of your social media account and even in your business page. If you have a license or title, please indicate it before or after your name to add impact and strengthen credibility. Point C, think before you click or post. Before posting, sharing, clicking, or advertising contents in your social media, ask yourself first, will this be beneficial to my business, family, or personal growth? Will it not depict an image that might lead to distrust and negative impact on my personal brand? Because if you're only posting stuff in your social media without asking these questions, the things that you post, especially those that are public, can be viewed and shared not only by your neighbors but the entire web community. These posts can also be archived and can resurface whenever needed. Tip number 2, follow a working schedule. We have a very popular quote that says, in real estate business, you own your time. Well, in some ways, it is true. But it is true that majority of successful people strictly follows a habit customized for them. Creating a business habit or work schedule customized for you will help you build a personal brand or image that will surely show your clients that you are serious with the business. Here are some points. Point A, make sure that you study your project every day. Practice online and know your competition. Never be complacent and think that you are already an expert of your project. Practice, practice, and practice. Always remember that successful entrepreneurs always think that they are the least amongst their competition. That's why they always strive to be the best. Point B, read business news, articles, and current events. To build rapport with your clients, it is a must that you are also at par with them intellectually. So for you to catch up, make sure that you are aware or at least have an idea on current issues. Point C, email, advertise, and post. Set an hour or 2 on your business schedule to send or reply on emails and post on your social media accounts. It is better to post or send emails at a specific time of the day to show your clients consistency. Tip number 3, be ahead of time and be prepared. When you set up a meeting with your clients or teammates, make sure that you are 10 minutes ahead of time and be prepared. Why? Here are my points. Point A, to show interest on the meeting and to make sure that your internet connection, video and audio are working properly. Point B, for online meetings, if you're working inside the house, make sure that you are in a well-lighted and quiet part of the house. Make sure that your background is a wall to avoid people passing behind you. If you're having a meeting at night, make sure to use a desktop lamp focused on you for extra light. Point C, be in corporate attire when meeting with clients or team members. Some may find it not necessary, but I'm telling you, most successful people are way ahead of you on this. Part of brand building is to always look professional in front of your clients and partners. As a real estate professional, I want to quote Mr. Tom Hopkins. He said, "You are your greatest asset. So make sure you are giving your best and showing your best in person and online." Thank you so much for watching and happy selling!